Are you at the brink of your teens? Then it should be no surprise that acne breakouts and pimples have come knocking at your door. But you need not worry because I've got you covered. Hi guys, मैं हूँ अंकिता, a new addition to the Be Beautiful Beauty fam और अब से आप मुझे Be Beautiful पर देखते रहेंगे. Super excited to be here. पर उससे पहले हमारे चैनल Be Beautiful को सब्सक्राइब करें and ring the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Good skincare should begin when you are in your teens and while your body is beginning to change dramatically. It can help you keep your skin in its best condition and stop premature aging from causing problems down the road. This brings me to the first two of skincare for teens. Follow a CTM routine. It is important to follow a CTM routine at this growing stage of life. फंडा बहुत सिंपल है guys, मैं बताती हूँ आपको. C is for cleanse, T is for tone and M is for moisturize. Let me tell you what this does for your skin. Daily cleansing of the skin will remove dirt, grime, pollution of your skin, keeping your pores unclogged. This will help tackle the biggest teen skincare problem. No points for guessing, acne. When selecting a cleanser, choose a gentle non-drying cleanser that is 100% soap-free. After cleansing, apply a toner. क्योंकि टोनर प्रिवेंट्स मॉइस्चर लॉस पोस्ट क्लेंजिंग. साथ ही टोनर आपकी स्किन के pH बैलेंस यानी एसिडिक और अल्कलाइन लेवल्स को बैलेंस रखता है, which is important for a healthy skin. While selecting toners, look out for 100% alcohol-free toners as they do not strip the skin of its natural oils. Lastly, moisturize the topmost layer of your skin, which will help preserve skin's natural barrier against environmental stressors and prevent future breakouts. As with moisturizer, select the product formulation as per your skin type. Now for the don't. Please do not experiment with your skin's health by applying DIY recipes. Reason being, because these homemade recipes don't have preservatives in them, bacteria can easily develop and lead to breakouts. Face masks जिन्हें हम raw ingredients से बनाते हैं can get contaminated and those at-home unpolished scrubs can create micro tears in your skin. The next must-do for teenagers after CTM routine, whether or not you're stepping out of your house, is to apply sunscreen. क्योंकि intense exposure to UV radiation earlier on in life is associated with higher rates of skin diseases. When selecting a sunscreen, choose a broad spectrum formulation in which you get protection from both harmful sun rays, UVA and UVB. And the next don't is, even if your best friend can sleep with her makeup on and look great, just know that this is a bad idea. If you're simply too exhausted to take off makeup at night, at least use micellar cleansing wipes that help take off tough makeup, dirt, oil and other skin impurities. क्योंकि sleeping with makeup equals acne. Because teenagehood is that phase in life where hormonal fluctuations are often. Your body produces excess oil at a rapid speed. And then when you don't remove this excess oil from your skin, it ends up clogging the pores, which results in you know what? Acne. इसीलिए I would recommend that you keep acne spot treatments handy. These products effectively treat and prevent acne by releasing acne-fighting ingredients directly onto the offending area of the skin. साथ ही, they loosen and dissolve blockage within the pore that created the blemish in the first place. But please promise me that you guys won't squeeze or try to pop that blemish. Doing this will spread bacteria on your skin and the pressure that you apply while doing this bad thing will cause marks on the skin's surface. Lastly, एक अच्छे skincare routine को follow करने के साथ-साथ try to lead a healthy lifestyle. इसका मतलब है eat right and exercise regularly. Try and stay away from junk food. I know it's like asking for too much, but try to karo because good skin is a result of thorough skincare routine plus a healthy lifestyle. However, if you continue to struggle with the health of your skin, consult your dermatologist for a solid foolproof long-term solution. So these were some skincare do's and don'ts for teens. I hope this was useful. If you are a teenager, Tell us about the most common skincare problem that you face on a daily basis in the comment section below. जाने से पहले like and share this video with your fellow teenagers and subscribe to our Be Beautiful channel. While you're still at it, ring the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Bye!